welcome to our presentation. My name is Mohammad Iman Ali and my ID is 17351927. And my teammate will introduce themselves when they presented their topic, their own topic. In 25 November, we visited a company and we collected the information that how they maintain their information system in their organization or work. So now I would like to thank you, our honorable teacher Mohammad Khaled Soel sir, for supervising us. Anyway, so let's begin our topic. This is our outline of our presentation. First is background of the organization. Second, information system used in the organization. Then outcome of the system and criticism about the use system. So first, background of the organization. We visited the company named People and Tech BD, and it basically provides IT training and work on software development also. Anyway, People and Tech BD was formed back in 2005 year, and according to the success of People and Tech in USA, Canada and India, People and Tech has started their journey in Bangladesh from 2014 with 60 plus courses at Dhaka campus, and since its inception in 2005 in year, People and Tech has trained over 6,000 students. Abu Hani, founder of People and Tech, is strongly focused on changing lives and careers since its inception. Now People and Tech BD is playing vital role in youth skill development by providing direct mid-level job and freelancing jobs. Basically, it's a web development or software development. In this regard, People and Tech Bangladesh is known as top professional skill development institute in Bangladesh and a global leader in IT and job placement. When we were visiting the company, and we talked about a person named Soyeda Arifun Nahar, is software senior software coordinator, and she gave information what we needed for our presentation and report generating report. So we are going to the next topic named information system use in the organization. So how they used in system in the information system in the organization. In People and Tech BD, they are working with two portions. One is IT training and second is software development. So in the IT training portion, in the IT training portion, they used automatic punch system for record the student attendance and other activity like teacher performance and courses details, and also daily performance of student and other information also. And in last, collect their they collect their information also for teachers evaluation and teacher performance, and also take courses in the training part course with batches, month-wise course schedule details, exam time and attendance for every batch and student. They used payroll for payment or giving salary to the teachers or their employees. They use for tracking the student for students ID and their NID card for tracking them. So we are not able to get any chart sheet of their software project, how they done or how they work, but they gave us a sample chart that called Gantt chart, that called Gantt chart, and how they perform it there. So first their job activity like day's performance and which tasks they needed to do, and that's day by day they performance their activity and collected their information and requirement, uh, through that they evaluate them that work and test to the client side or product the production to the marketing, or they set time for collect their information and materials to include the performance portion. They used agile model, how agile model work and how their system work with it. My next teammate will talk about it. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Mahinab sir. My ID is 171351961. So last 25 November we visited People and Tech for industry visit for our MIS class. And my previous partner member already described first part of the for our visited things. We collect some information about MIS from peopleandtechvideo.com. So here the People and Tech company use for development agile model for develop a project or a software for their own company. So we know agile how agile works. First agile collect the requirements, then design, then development, then test, then deploy, then review, then release. Otherwise, if any problem and added extra information, the agile also round circle and solve all of problems and maintain the customer requirements. We also collect their management system, how they manage or control their can control their company for supporting customer and making decision. They also follow the MIS strategy, that is first is high level, mid level and low level. So their high level means take strategic decision, mid level take tactical decision and low level operating decisions. High level is executing of information system, management information system in the low level, mid level and transaction process system at there in low level. And there we collect a canvas model for how the relationship and how relationship with their with other company and other operations, and also make control relation with their customer and other company. That we collect a business model canvas from there. Their business canvas model have key partners, key activities, value proposition, customer relationship, cost structure. We asked there how they control the business model canvas. They answer us the key partners. They how who what type of member and partners are relevant with their work and project, key activities, the relevant employee and workers, how they done a work and what is their activity, that is their key activity. Value proposition, what is the value of this project, or what is the value of this product of this market. This is work in their project, and how they what type of value they invest in their project, and what value they they
They worked on.
what value
They worked on. They will work on.
and what value they will work on. Customer relationship, in customer relationship canvas, they maintain customer relation, how a customer satisfied with their works, and how can a customer will customer relationship. They maintain a relation with the customer. How will the customer will satisfied, and how have to customer will be satisfied. This section is very important for their company because they work on web basis. They make web basis project and product for customers, and which is maintaining customer relationship. They maintain customer relationship about email, phone, or other social media for collecting and satisfying customer. Cost structure. It is very main issue for a company because the cost structure depends on the company's profit and losing. They maintain the cost structure with very sincerely and and productively, which is relevant to the social local market. The next part will present one of our next teammate. I welcome him. Thank you.
भूल है इसे
Hi, my name is Mohammad Tariqul Islam, ID 171351897. As my previous teammates have give you the basic introduction and basic idea how the system work, I will discuss the outcome of this system and also the advantage and disadvantage of the system. As you can see here that the basic outcome of the system is that how to keep a track of a student and their class schedule details, their exam time, their student daily performance, weekly performance, and how their teacher will evaluate them each and individually on their basic performance. Also, you can see the attendance of every batch, every student whenever you want. Nextly, while building a system, they in this project or any other project, while building it, they keep the track of client response, the cost, the monthly outcome of the progress, and skill developing, and also managing the whole project, and also discuss the and analyze the outcome of that singular project. As also they keep a very sharp notice on the feedback and yearly report of the completion of the project. As I said that with the outcome of the system, there are some advantage as well as disadvantage. For example, if they are using the agile model instead of V model, as I have shown here, that in V model there are many features that aren't in the agile model, which is a negative side for using the agile model. In keeping good relation with business and relation with client, for the sake of the project development and business, we should keep a good relation with the client, so that a good communication will help, as there is a possibility that client might change his or her requirement every last moment of the project. Clear cut decision. Before every beginning of a project, there should be a clear cut decision that these and these points should be maintained while building a project. And later, if any kind of comment or any kind of requirement come along, the project manager or the project team will be not be responsible for the project dismissal. Lacking of working plan. In the most problematic issue is the lacking of working plan. Before building any project, there should be work plan, that how the system will go. And one point I missed is that the manpower or insufficient manpower or skilled person. In some cases, we see that the people who belong to the company are not very eligible or very sufficient for the project. So in such cases, we have to go for outsourcing or bring outer manpower for the development of project. Those were the outcome and advantage of disadvantage of the project. Thank you.